Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Yo, me a bust a blank, you know. Yeah. Wake up, wake up. See, yeah, country girl, big up yourself, country boss. Silent, nuclear. Everybody, all the subscribers, non-subscribers. Trini boss, big up yourself. Trini boss have a bag of money, you know. Nah, talk your business though, but you have a bag of money. Yeah. As we move on, look at the screen in front of you. Look at the screen in front of you. Actually, before we go into that, remember to check out the Patreon page. I am going to put some exclusive stuff up there. Really and truly, I haven't really fully set it up yet, but it's up there and it's live. And I got that weird pastor where they're at Jamaica on it. But hey, I want to talk about that pastor. I mean, I do a whole program on a pastor there. And all of them. Got all of them on the same. Anyways, look at the scene in front of you. You have Blackman, you have the unofficial site where the witness send the police them and them go dig up, you know what I talk about. And you have Kartel. First of all, I want to really address a comment that Michael Malcolm leave on the comment with Klansman star witness carried out good acts. Now, Malcolm said that they don't do a good job, meaning that the government. And Malcolm, I am going to tell you that you're wrong on this one. He's saying it looks like the government then mess up with the witness. And I guess Malcolm is using something that the witness said. We're going to move on with this equation. So now, Mr. Michael Malcolm, made a comment, and I just want to address it and address the witness and everything. Because when I realize a lot of people don't understand how the system works and how the court system works, even when I realize also, all heap of the bad man them and so-called bad man them, when them get road and then get wind up and go a workhouse, them not understand how the system works. Them don't know how to do time. Them don't know how to navigate the system. You understand? Because the system is different than just say witness this, witness that, whatever. But anyways, Mr. Michael Malcolm said that them now do a good job. That's a lie. That's totally untrue. The witness did the most courageous thing, and them do the best ops with the government them. You understand? Where him all take the man them machine and I give to the police them. Alright. Why Mr. Malcolm said this is that him say the witness never do any crime yet. But let me tell you something. I'm going to address this personally. You see, most informer and most witness, when them go up on the stand, them are going to try take with themselves as much as possible. But that doesn't undermine the credibility, because what you have actually real life facts, not alternative facts. You have real life facts with the witness talk about, and it can be proven. You see what I'm saying? Let me go over that again. In a most case, even when you're an informer or you're just a witness on the stand and it involves certain things, most people, them not like them not gonna put themselves in it or try to minimize it. But if the things where them are talk about is facts, and the government and the police or the public can prove that, the witness still have them credibility. You understand? Now, this witness, him not only run apps with the government and take with the man the machine. Sort of something like where them do shower princess in Canada. Remember that video there? When we do about the shower princess, the girl where I do the rate and them go in our house, the police, them what the police them do. Them fake. Like them try broke in our house, and when she call police now, then them come in there, sneak in there, put the man in the radio car, talk to him about the breaking, and then them go in and take out the machine from out of the scene. Anyways, at the same thing the witness, similar circumstance him do with Klansman. So this witness is still credible, even more credible than he was before. Now that the facts are coming out. See, Mr. Malcolm? So, the government will do a good job, the witness will do a good job. Now, let me talk on who wasn't doing a good job. Let's move on with this equation. Now, Mr. Malcolm, in the second part of your comment, Michael Malcolm, I agree with you 100%. Kartel are wicked from long time, Michael said, and I true that. Me know that say I true, because when him do, him will try wind up him friend them. Not really try, him wind up Sean Storm and him wind up the other youth them. A lucky thing, like me saying in my other video, Popcorn, Lego. Now, the next thing you say, that boy, me not like friend killer. You understand? Me not believe in that. Me and my friend them can kick off and we do business and still get to the money. Me not like what you do. That don't mean me hate you. Me not have to like everything you do. See what I'm saying? So, in the second part, of your text and your comment, yeah, him money turn him in a fool, him dash him friend them, him wind up him friend them, him make Sean stand there prison. Him a do a apps, number one, him freak out, because them and the man them a flex and him flip out through the man them the burner and thing, and yo, relax, man. That's why I say some boy don't know badness. Them badness and not just have a bag of money and I do pure what's it not it in that. Yeah, the art of war. Read the book there. You understand? Now, I don't want to stray too much, but back to the witness. C4 witness do a good job. Cause you see that video, that picture there in the middle, at the unofficial site that where the man them, like him said, 2 man in a Denham town, the man them beat. And next thing you know, I just say them, the man them, and him bring the police them go there. Now, you want a more better witness than this in any case? The man even tell where Vybz Kartel do with the apps them and where him do on popcorn. If the government have that case here shut just from the facts witness, look on that picture there in the middle. So the witness still do a good job. Let me tell you who don't do a good job. So you up on the left side, Blackman, and the word hungry badness, dog, yo, be. We don't know. The man them, we don't know, alright. Like me say, some man do certain things and them don't know if to do it. When you do certain things, violence are the last resort. Especially if you want to take people money. You have to know how to talk to people and deal with things. Yo, me not going on no specific, because me not teach nobody how to do no crime. You understand? And that, the people them when I work with, I say, yo, countryman, don't go in on no detail on that. But when you do certain things, like a black man them did do, violence is the last resort. Now look at the Italian, look at the Chinese, and look at the Japanese. Just look at that group, and even you can't even go further. You can look on the Russians, you can look on the Lithuanians. I'm just saying, and when them man they do things, it is done in a different way, and both parties benefit from the situation. Yo, me not going into no detail with this, but me just tell you, them don't know how to do things. The man them, they just want blood and chaos and really and truly, the government put them boy in a special, the government will start build some new place for them and put them in a place and study them. Them have to see psychologists every day. What you talk about? Yo, you have some prison hall in Canada, you know. It's when some man go there for certain offense. Let me tell you, them have to take a program. When you go there for certain assault, the man them hook up your private, you sit in your body, pan a weight name there. Them hook up your body for a meter. You understand? And them a show you some video. And them a talk some nasty shit in your ears. And you see if your body ever stand up, you come out of prison. A straight psychologist. Let me tell you about some of them prison where them have. You understand? Sorry. Them thing that them need at Jamaica. Them need extensive research in the minds of these so-called gangster and badman them, dog, because it's a mental breakdown, the whole system. Anyways, we are going to move on. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group with the Country Squad, and also the Patron page, the Instagram page. All the link is in the bottom right there. Okay? Now, let me sum up this case. Malcolm, you're wrong on the first thing about the witness. The witness is doing a good job. C4. You understand? Because everything he said is facts and it's proven. Now, on the second part, you is right. You understand? We don't believe in a certain kind of thing, and I feel the same way about Kartel. Him do all sort of thing to him friend them, and that's just how it is. Now, I demand them now like Sean Storm and certain man to step up and know say, yo, but now support that boy and more. I want to come out and more break away from all of them things. Even the man them in a Klansman. Because people can't change. You see what I say? So, yeah.